guys, today we're playing cars. Let's see. This is truck car. That's like a garbage truck. Yeah. You know this? First, this. And then we have this big giant. Let's put in there. Then another. And another. Hey guys, sorry I'm late. That's like a ranger. Then we have this like a truck. People. For edits, making truck. This is big, and I know what you do. Okay, this. And then there. Now you know what is this. I like a car truck. This is a lip, and we have an ear sitting here. Now for the grade. Wait a minute, guys. Wait a minute. Hey guys, I'm back. Then this. And this. Like another. That's like ito yung garbage truck. Tapos ito po yung basurahan na mga at saka po ito ay Hi. Sorry guys, sorry. This is po punta and do. So let's start it. Something good or something for good then. This video is for me. And then see this. This is and put in here the box. And this is box. Yeah, this is box. Okay, let's put. You hear this? You want this? Then put in here that this is a boat truck. Now let's start with the carpet. Wow! A carpet! This. What is color this? This. Green. This. Pink. Yellow. What is color this? Yellow. Listen to track this. This is a truck. Work. And this is really good for them. Use this. Mini beep beep beep. And there. Minis. And there. There. Bye guys! You want more watching for me? That's push that red button. Oh, and don't forget. Bye. Don't forget to eat the vegetables. And you want more watching? That's push that red button. Bye guys. See you soon.